behind your gear stick, you've got your drinks holders there, and then a little button on the front there. Just push that, gives you access to your storage area and your other storage area. You've got the key, and then beside that is the button which you press, and that's where your book and your locking wheel nuts, etc. will be. Okay, just while we're here on the roof, you've got your vanity lights and your mirrors. You've got individual lights if you want them, or you've also got the door button, so when you open the door the lights will come on, and then you've got room, so if you press the room one, all lights come on together. That's what's up on there for you. Okay, now your stereo unit, pretty easy, and we'll go for it step by step. So if you press the home button, you will get a picture of a map, and you will get whatever you're listening to on the radio. Okay, now you've got a mode section there and a mode section there. They both do exactly the same. They'll get you to that screen. Okay, anything that's connected will be illuminated. Now I personally prefer to press the 4 little squares there, which gives it to me on an easier screen to see. So if I wanted to get the radio to work, I literally just press radio. Okay, we're currently on DAB radio, it says it up here. So to see what channels are available, you've got like a little set of lines up here. You press that and all of your stations are on here. So let's just say we want to listen to Mellow Magic. We've got Mellow Magic playing on there at the moment, and if we want to reserve it, we literally press our finger on there, and that's set. So you can do that with all of those. Now if you don't want to listen, or you've lost your DAB signal, if you press the little radio picture, we're now on FM 1, so we've got 12 FM stations, and then underneath here lit up we've got FM 2. So we're now on FM 2, we've got another 12 stations, and we've also got AM, which we can put on if we want. And if we want to go back to DAB, you just press DAB, and we're back to DAB. So that's your radio. Now navigation, we've got a TomTom system in here, so if you press Navi, that will give you your map. Okay, now while your map is on this screen, you can press the Navi button on here, and it will also give you a navigation screen on here. Now we can change what it looks like by moving this button, so we've got two options. If we click that button down, it will change what happens in there. So we've got exactly the same copy. Just wondering if every time I press the button on there, it mirrors what's going on here. Okay, so with our navigation, it's a simple TomTom. So to search, just press search at the top corner there. EX28PN. Okay, it's basically the office here, so it's going to find us. So when it's found your name, your house, whatever, you literally press on there, and then you press the little drive signal. It's going to work out your route and then drive away you go. So you're driving, it'll tell you where you're going. When you've got to where you need to be, and it'll tell you you've now arrived, if you press the 3 little lines down the bottom, your current route will become illuminated. You just press that, and then it says clear, and you've wiped that route off of your system there, so it's not going to keep telling you how to go back. Pretty simple. Just search, and then this button down here to get rid of it. Now it works as a smartphone, so you can drag and pinch and zoom in and do all of those sorts of things. We've also got a plus and a minus on there, and you can change it to 2D or 3D. by pressing that little button there. Okay, so that's really all you need to worry about with that one. And then phone, you would press phone. It says, do you want to connect a Bluetooth device? Yeah, so I've got my phone in my pocket, so I'm just gonna go back to Bluetooth here. In fact, what I'll do is I'll do this on another video. Just bear with me.